Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are guys? My name is Kesar Nawaz and today our lecture is on time management. It's very easy talking, behavior and tendencies. Change three things. Why am I here? My basic objectives. At the end point of this PPT, you will be able to identifying and describe some principles of time management, understand importance of utilize every second of day. The third is understand some techniques and method to manage your own time is most effective way. Ask them the value of time to realize the value of 1 year. 1 year, ask a student who failed a grade to realize the value of 1 month. Ask a mother who has given birth to a premature baby to realize the value of 1 week. Ask the editor of a weekly newspaper to realize the value of 1 hour. Ask the lovers who are waiting to meet. Ask them the value of time to realize the value of 1 minute. Ask a person who missed a train to realize the value of 1 second. Ask someone who just avoided the accident to realize the value of 1 millisecond. Ask the person who won a silver medal at the Olympics. What's a success formula? Everybody wants to be successful in life. All are doing effort but very achieve it. Why? Success. The answer is in the time management failures. The success, the time management. There are two ways. It is the failures and it is for success. Key to success is time management, and this is the key for success. Time management. Time is money. What is time management? The ability to manage oneself and deciding to use the time in the most appropriate, effective, and efficient way is known as time management. Brain and Tracy explanation on time management is that it is the defined is vehicle that can carry you from whenever you are to whenever you want to go. Importance of time management: getting your assignment done and achieving excellent marks in exam, taking you as a punctual person, maintaining your mental and physical health, keep good relationship with other people. Importance of time management: time is a precious key like money. Help you achieve a more balanced life, makes you more productive and successful. Time is limited, cannot be stored and saved. Everyone gets the same amount of time, but at this stage you its actual utilize. The time values 18 years, 216 months, and 5050 70 days, and so on. Time value. Can you relive even a single second out of 50 and 56, 76, 48 seconds? No. Promise yourself I will utilize every second in the best possible way hereafter. The time values time waits for none, but everyone waits for right time to happen. Some things, even Mr. Bill Gates cannot buy a single moment of time that has passed. Your daily task, textbook replaced by home assignment, indoor outdoor sports, meeting friends, community activities, family responsibilities, and Facebook. Sometimes of time mismanagement, getting delay from college every day, submitting work that is not up to the mark, forgetting comments and promises, finding that you often do not have enough time to complete a task or work, and making excuses for why work is not done, having to specific activities you like because of a lack of time. 8 habits affecting time management. First is disorganization, precarizations in discussions, lack of plans, lack of prioritizing, leave things unfinished, attempting too much, one's inability to say no. Adopt prioritizing, do, delete, and delegate, delay, and delete. Best practice 80% to over 20 rule. Effective do list. Settings prioritize now what you call are be organized. Ask your teacher for some guidance. Speak to other successful people. Break a big task down into various stages. Consider the value and deadline of task. Always keep a positive attitude. Yes, I will sure complete it in time. And our lecture is and